Your gaming setup isn't complete without the perfect chair. Comfort, durability, and style matter when you're grinding for hours. Whether it's for comfort, style, or pro-level support, a great gaming chair can change the game. Today, we're counting down the top 12 gaming chairs on Amazon, from budget-friendly to premium throne-like designs. Subscribe our channel for more interesting products. Let's find your perfect seat. At number 1 we have BestOffice High-Back Gaming Chair. Our high-back gaming chair is thickly cushioned for maximum comfort, whether you're spending long hours at the office, in front of the computer, or gaming. Covered with breathable premium PU leather, the chair is equipped with freely adjustable lumbar support and a headrest pillow to protect your spine and neck, while the adjustable reclining feature allows users to lock in any reclining position, from 90 to 135 degrees. Our chairs are designed with long-lasting ergonomic construction, equipped with a BIFMA-certified heavy-duty metal base, providing stability and mobility with a 360 degrees range of motion on smooth rolling nylon casters so you can glide easily between workstations. Our chair comes ready to assemble, with all the hardware and necessary tools. With step-by-step instructions, you'll be set up and ready to game, take on the office in about 10 to 15 minutes. We want all of our customers to feel 100% satisfied and ready to unwind from the comfort of our high-back office chair. If you're not satisfied, or have any questions, please contact BestOffice Customer Service. At number 2 we have GTRACING Gaming Chair. Designed with 2 Bluetooth speakers. Surrounded sound system brings the best in your entertainment. Connect it to your smartphone, tablet or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, and enjoy music, mobile game. Ergonomic design, strong metal frame designed to help promote a comfortable seated position. Bluetooth speakers for 16-hour music play, armrest adjustable, seat height adjustable. Seat height adjustable, 90 to 160 degree reclining, 360 degree swivel, removable headrest. Smooth PU leather upholstery. Thick padded seat cushion made of high-density foam. GTRACING Gaming Chair is an ideal seat of choice for working, studying and gaming. At number 3 we have X-Rocker Gaming Chair. Immerse yourself in your game or movie with 2 Bluetooth speakers and a subwoofer for maximum audio impact. Features our patented NeoMotion RGB lighting to level up your gaming or movie experience. Adjust the chair's height to your desired position for an ergonomic posture and comfortable seating. Compatible with almost all gaming consoles using a wired connection to the device or controller, Bluetooth connection for phones and smart device. X-Rocker makes gaming accessible with innovative furniture that enhances the gameplay experience for the whole family. At number 4 we have AutoFull Gaming Chair. Pillow AutoFull Computer Chair conducted a survey of global users and found that ordinary lumbar pillows cannot provide good support for the back. The lumbar pillow is designed according to the natural curve of the human spine, which can better fit the back and disperse back pressure. And it uses high-density native memory foam to address the drawback of lumbar pillows being too hard and easy to collapse, thereby improving the lumbar pillow's comfort. AutoFull Gaming Chair has more functions than ordinary office chairs and can meet more of your needs. AutoFull Game Chair's back can tilt freely between 90 degrees minus 155 degrees. When you are tired of working or gaming, you can use the gaming chairs with footrests to find a comfortable sleeping position for a short rest and help relieve fatigue. In addition, our adjustable armrests can be adjusted up, down, left and right to provide better support for your arm. AutoFull Gaming Chair has an astonishing weight of 56.8 pounds, which is 20% heavier than chairs from other brands. At number 5 we have Respawn Recliner Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with a plush removable headrest pillow and segmented padding that lead to the ultimate experience. A fully functional gaming recliner that lets you level up while laying back. Keep your game controllers handy with a removable side pouch on the left arm, and stay refreshed with the built-in cup holder, so you don't have to pause the gaming action to refuel. The chair and footrest are a continuous surface, no open spaces to get wires caught, but operate independently to give you total control over your gaming chair experience. Comfortably recline up to 135 degrees and feel secure because the 360-degree swivel base provides sturdy support for both the extendable footrest and reclining back, allowing you to focus on your foes, not your balance. Durable office furniture, this heavy-duty chair supports up to 275 pounds weight capacity for long-lasting use. At number 6 we have YSSOA Gaming Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort with our gaming chair, designed with adjustable lumbar support and neck pillow to promote a healthy posture during racing gaming sessions. Experience unparalleled stability and support with our gaming chair, boasting robust metal legs as opposed to the conventional plastic. Our superior metal foundation ensures durability and strength. Elevate your gaming experience with our deluxe chair, outfitted with a retractable footrest for the ultimate in relaxation. Kick back and extend your legs, enjoying full body support during intense gaming sessions or while taking a well-deserved break. With this deluxe edition, our chair isn't just a seat, it's your personal relaxation station. Seamlessly adapt to your gaming style with our chair's flexible design. The backrest smoothly adjusts from an upright 90 degrees to a relaxed 120 degrees angle, allowing you to find your perfect angle for play or rest. At number 7 we have LUCKRACER Gaming Chair. Ergonomic game chair design with free lumbar support, headrest pillow, wider and thicker adjustable armrests with an ergonomic shape, larger size seat cushion, sturdy retractable footrest. Gaming chair covered with thick PU leather make your elbow and arm more comfortable, will release your fatigue caused by playing gaming for long time. Solid integrated frame, international standard gas lift, skin-friendly PU leather with high-density thick sponge inside, 5-point steel base with heavy-duty, smooth rolling casters, retractable footrest for rest. This gaming chair with footrest can be used as office chair, computer chair, racing chair. It's a perfect choice for you to play computer games, watch TV, work and relax. At number 8 we have AutoFull C3 Gaming Chair. AutoFull Gaming Chair have upgraded the cushion of this gamer chair according to customer demand, removing the side wings that squeeze the legs, making the seat spacious and free, suitable for both small and large body types. The shaped wadding seat cushion, comfortable rebound, even after a long time playing games, the hip is not easy to be sore. AutoFull Gamer Chair is built to last, with a strong integrated metal frame and heavy-duty nylon base. The backrest and seat cushion are reinforced with bandages for greater impact resistance and longer life. The seat cushion is made of high-density shaped wadding, which is 30% denser than ordinary cushion foam and won't collapse easily. The SGS-certified 4-level cylinder provides extra safety and stability. AutoFull Gaming Chair provides users with 36 months of parts replacement or repair service. If you have any suggestions for our computer chair, please feel free to contact us. At number 9 we have Vigosit Gaming Chair Pro. Vigosit Gamer Chair is made of PU leather and mesh fabric splicing, taking into account comfort and breathability, preventing heat and moisture from causing discomfort, giving you a refreshing feeling without sweating. Heavy-duty gaming chair for adult has a wide muscle-shaped back, combined with ergonomic curved design, can fit perfectly without squeezing feeling, bringing a great sitting experience. This black computer gaming chair cushion consists of a block of sponge, has excellent support and will not affect the rebound when sitting for a long time. Are you looking for a chair that can actually relieve sedentary fatigue? Our ergonomic gaming chair is equipped with soft headrest and neckrest, high-quality cotton velvet and unique shape to provide better support and wrapping. Adjustable memory foam lumbar pillow maximizes spine and lumbar support, and retractable footrest allows you to fully recline and relax, truly relieving comfort and enjoying leisure. One-piece steel frame construction with a weight capacity up to 350 pounds, upgraded lamp gas cylinder and mechanism prolong the life of the reclining gaming chair, and the sturdy base can withstand the heavy load of 2,500 pounds under BIFMA test to ensure safety. At number 10 we have GTRACING Gaming Chair with Computer Game Desk. We never hesitate to use high-quality raw materials to provide consumers with the most cost-effective chairs. Thick and padded seat cushion is not easy to collapse, built-in metal frame is wider and thicker, heavy-duty base keeps chair stable, smooth nylon casters will not damage your floor, premium PU leather can withstand the sun and rain. GTRACING Gaming Chair is an ideal seat of choice for working, studying and gaming. Its versatile design and ergonomic features make it suitable for long hours of sitting, whether you're tackling a demanding work project, delving into academic studies, or immersing yourself in intense gaming sessions. With its adjustable features and durable construction, the GTRACING Gaming Chair provides the comfort and support needed for prolonged use across different settings. With adjustable armrests and seat height, you can customize the chair to find the perfect ergonomic position for your comfort and support. In addition, its large reclining angle allows you to relax while you rest. The chair's 360-degree swivel feature adds further flexibility, enabling you to easily maneuver and access different areas of your workspace or gaming setup without strain. At number 11 we have OneGame Black Gaming Chair. OneGame Gaming Chair comes with a headrest and lumbar support. The backrest and seat depth are ergonomically designed for prolonged use, conforming to the body's curves and distributing lumbar pressure. The multi-tilt function allows you to adjust the angle you need, and the height can be adjusted for different table heights. OneGame Gaming Chair is made of high elastic foam padding, so the seat and backrest of the gaming chair have good comfort. The surface of the gamer chair is made of soft and durable PU leather fabric, which is water resistant and only needs to be lightly wiped to keep it clean. OneGame gaming chair has a higher back height and supports a maximum back adjustment angle of 155 degrees, allowing you to lean in a more comfortable position and adding a rocking function that allows you rock back and forth to freely control the rhythm of body and the rhythm of the game. At number 12 we have HOFFREE gaming chair. Built-in 2 Bluetooth speakers for richly stereo sound effects. Can be connected to mobile phones, laptops or other devices that support Bluetooth. The host computer needs to be equipped with a Bluetooth USB adapter transmitter. Designed with LED flashing lights on the back and the edge of the seat, you can easily adjust multiple lighting modes and brightness by remote control. The massage gaming chair features 2 motors in the waist cushion position for lumbar massage function, providing you ultimate comfort and relaxation. Well-padded seats, lumbar and headrest cushions make extended gaming sessions more comfortable and enjoyable. The extra bonus footrest and adjustable linkage armrest allows you to enjoy a high-quality nap anytime anywhere, and immediately restore energy.